Alright, Dinesh. Number 652.
Holy shit. I think that's a bed.
When you haven't seen your dog in months, so you want to see if he recognizes you during his walk.
It's about 11:17 and we have yet to begin the party. It's gonna be pretty well night.
Yeah, hello. Hello.
I wasn't recording. Now you go.
Yo, how's it going? Merry Christmas.
So as you can see, I already opened it prematurely and thought this was probably going to be something else, but got these shades from Ghostek. They decided to send out a pair of shades for review, and so thank you, Ghostek, and I'm gonna give it a shot. You know what? I'm gonna walk Theo in the morning and try it out. Right, Theo? You like these shades? Oh wait. Okay, it opens like this. Oh, okay. It's a case. Pretty nice. And so the cool thing about these shades is that I believe they're Bluetooth. Oh wow! Once you open it, it powers on. Okay, so a quick TLDR on these shades is that essentially they act as microphones, like not microphones. They act as speakers, headphones as you're walking. Or like performing with these, or like I guess if you're doing outdoor activities. So this is the charger. So wait, give me a second. It's a little frosted right now because I picked these up just outside in the mailbox, so it's a little frosted, but you can see if it focuses. This is the headphone, like a headphone piece right here. Not too obvious. Right here. Okay, you know what the color? I promise is a little better, I think. Yeah, the color is better. It's just that like it does frost up a bit in the cold. So I look pretty adventurous. Pretty cool. On the charger, a USB powered charger with this magnetic charger, I guess, goes on right here. That's pretty cool. Okay, oh, awesome. Oh, it also comes with like these connector pieces, which is nice. Okay, actually, it also comes with a piece of cloth, which I think I need right now. So right now it's blinking, and I'm assuming that means Bluetooth is trying to search. So I'm just gonna connect the Bluetooth right now. Okay, so it pops up as shades. Very accurate. I'm on Spotify. Oh my god. Oh, what the? That's super cool. Okay, so there's like fast forward, going back, play, and everything on the left side. But meanwhile, you know, you don't want to know that about that boring stuff. You just want to know if this works. And so far, this is super cool. Damn. Oh, I'm listening to Love in the Dark by Adele right now. The last one, highly recommend. Dean Lewis, wait, Half a Man, and then Blames on Me by Alexander Stewart. All top-notch artists. But Adele you knew. I don't know if you knew by last name. Oh, damn. This is super cool. Okay, so my only problem with this so far is that I don't have LASIK just yet. I was planning to get LASIK, and I think I'm still going to get it in a year. But I don't have LASIK, and so I have still prescription glasses. I'll probably still wear this. Like my damn, I still can't get over how the music sounds pretty dope. My only downfall with this is that there's no glass. Like, I don't have prescription on these. But other than that, like if I'm walking Theo, like my eyesight's not that bad that like I don't, like I always need to wear glasses walking out. So I might still just wear these. But like, that's my only downfall. And again, like I guess if you want prescription glasses, sunglasses, which I do have, like that's like another thing. And once I get LASIK, like this is more of a me problem than the glasses problem. But these shades are dope. Okay, I'm gonna take these out for a walk. And well, I just walked Theo now. It's about midnight, so I'll probably take it out in the morning. But yeah, damn, thanks Ghostek. I'll leave a link below. They gave me like a affiliate link, so if you want to click that and buy it and see, well, see if you like it, see if you need it. But so far, it's like the volume, it's hitting your ears, but like you could still hear it outside, so it's like it's not stuffed in there, which is kind of nice. Okay, so wearing the sunglasses, the shades, and it's pretty nice. Like you can listen to music while going. Mind you, I'm in the suburbs, so it's slightly, well, a lot more quiet than like, let's say if you're in Manhattan or downtown somewhere. Not a lot of cars are driving by and swooping by and honking. So, but like overall, it's pretty damn good. But even if you are in those busy areas, you might want to like have this simply because you want to get hit by a car, so you don't want to have something plugged into your ears, which again, questionable. But like I kind of like this. Like I feel a little bit less clogged up, if that makes sense. Well, it makes sense because your earbuds, but whatever. Kind of like it. Like, I don't know if I'm making sense, but it's nice. Other cup?
Theo.
Hey Theo! Oh! Yeah. Oh. Okay. Go!
Careful, don't worry if it drops. We need to get Choi too.
Alright, so I just got the new MacBook. This is probably one of the more expensive purchases I've ever made for at least this year. It's 2023. I gotta work out a budget. But so I just got a new MacBook. It is gonna be my primary editing laptop, I hope. Anyways, it costs a lot of money. I think it was like with the upgrades to memory and storage, it was about 7,000-8,000 Canadian. So like do the conversions in American. I'm in Canada right now, so I just bought it in thing. Shout out to my buddy who was able to get me a discount. I'm not gonna name you just in case you get in trouble. Let's go. Damn. This packaging too is some cool stuff. Look at this. Damn. Okay, I should probably save this for a better unboxing. Okay, I got work right now, so I will do this in a bit. This is super cool. I'm excited. Yeah. So I finally finished work and did a few things, went to the gym, took a shower, and now I am gonna unbox this. I'm probably just gonna do it right here. How should I do this video? You know what? I could just glare it down. Let's see how it works.